Hi, this is Introduction to Sociology. We are going to take a couple minutes just to review some of the important aspects of the syllabus. I'm going to ask you to review most of it on your own, but I want to make sure I touch on a couple highlights. I'm your instructor for the semester, Judith Fenlon. Have my master's in social work and been working in the field for about 20 years. I'm happy to answer any questions about human services and social work at any time. Email is the best way to reach me. I check it multiple times a day. This class is asynchronous. That means that we do not have a live meeting time, but instead it is around your schedule. And so you need to access the lectures and the homeworks and discussions throughout the week. I will be having office hours on Thursdays, but also please just let me know. I'm happy to set up an individual time that works for you. Please make sure that you get this textbook for the semester. It is You May Ask Yourself by Dalton Conley. This is the 6th edition. That is going to be an important part of the semester. And I will also hand out supplemental readings on Blackboard. Okay, so this is a survey course. So we're going to go over a lot of information fairly quickly. We're going to cover a lot of areas of sociology. Sociology is the study of our human society. It's looking at the world all around us. So everyone who comes into this class has a knowledge of sociology, even if you're not quite sure that you know that yet. We'll be covering a broad range of topics such as poverty, race, gender identity, culture and media, deviance and criminal justice. We're going to learn what it means to think sociologically and how that may differ from other ways of seeing the world around us. But you are going to develop this semester skills to critically analyze social issues. Okay, you guys can review the learning objectives, just a couple important dates. The last day to withdraw from this course will be Thursday, November 12th. You will have a Thanksgiving break, and then the semester is officially done on Saturday, December 19th. There are a variety of student services that are still going on. You need to follow COVID policies. Make sure that you are wearing a mask when you come to campus. But there are, again, transition services. So if you do have any sort of learning accommodations, please go contact that office. There are also success coaches that are on the ground floor that are there to help you really kind of balance your challenges. They can help you with with time management and organizational skills, and just make sure that you're staying on track. So they're a great resource to have. And they're right on the ground floor when you walk in to the Stockade building. I'm sorry, to Elston. Can review my expectations, but I do expect you to take an active role in this learning community, to engage, and mostly we're doing that through the discussion section. And please do not ever hesitate to ask questions. Be curious. You're very encouraged to express your opinions and make sure that they're in a respectful manner. Please let me know, communicate. Let me know if you have any problems, because together we can solve them. But if I don't know what kind of issues that you're facing, then I can't help. Your grades. So the semester will be based on 500 possible points, and that's divided between homework, discussion questions, exams, and a paper. And I will go over those in more detail in just a second. You can review what the SUNY policy on final grades are. Homework. You will have weekly homework assignments that will be posted on Blackboard and are required to be submitted through Blackboard. I will accept late assignments, and I'll talk about my policy in a moment. Discussion questions. So each week there's going to be a required discussion question on Blackboard based on the material we cover in class. You're required to post an original thought based on a prompt that I provide, and then you also are required to reply to 2 of your classmates' posts. And not only are you graded for the discussion section, but it's also how I take attendance for the week. There will be 2 exams. There's a midterm and a final. These are not cumulative exams. So that means the midterm will be based on the material we cover in the first half of the semester, and the final will be based on the material we cover in the second half of the semester. They're worth 100 points. They are open note, open book tests, and you will have 3 days to complete them, which means that you can sit down and start and do 10 questions and save it, and then come back the next day and do another 10 questions. You don't have to complete the exam in one sitting. You will have a paper. The paper will be 3 to 4 pages, and it is going to be examining a specific sociological research study that I provide, and details will be provided as we get closer to that. There's extra credit opportunities, so you just need to get in touch with me. Drop me an email if you're looking for extra credit, and I'll give you some options. Okay, some general policies. I do accept late assignments. If you get it to me within 3 days of the original due date, there's no penalty. And then after that, it becomes 10%. If it's anything after 2 weeks, then there's a 20% deduction from your grade. Please let me know if you have any extenuating circumstances in terms of getting work to me. I am more than willing to work with you. Okay. Technology is an important part of this course. You need to certainly be checking your SCCC email. That is how I will communicate everything with you. And you certainly have to be able to navigate Blackboard, because that's where all of your work is going to be housed. I'm available via email. I'm happy to set up a time to talk. We can do a live session, whatever works for you. So I really want you to be successful, so don't ever hesitate to reach out. Again, if you have any accommodations, please make sure you are getting in touch with the ADA Transitions Office as soon as possible. COVID policies, there is a whole section on the SCCC website, but just make sure if you do need to be on campus, you have a mask or a shield at all times, and you will be asked to complete a health assessment every day when you come to campus. Please review the sexual harassment and discrimination policy. That will not be tolerated in any way, shape, or form by the college or by myself. Please review plagiarism and academic misconduct. That is a very serious offense, and the school takes it very seriously. So make sure that all work that you are submitting is in your own words. Again, I do expect you to attend weekly courses, so I will be looking to see who has been active on Blackboard. And that is an important part of your semester. I'll be posting, various recordings, and those recordings are not to be shared outside of our class purposes. Okay, withdrawal policy, November 12th is the last day. Last day to withdraw from a course. You'll find the course schedule right here. Essentially every week you have a discussion and a homework question due by the end of the week. And then later in the semester, we have our midterm, the beginning of November. We have a paper due the beginning of December, and then the final is due by the 18th of December. This is a working document. If anything changes through the semester, I will make sure you know as soon as possible. Okay, good luck this semester. I look forward to working with all of you.